All right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, today is a very special day. Today we are specially here at District 404B2, Nigeria, and we're publicly presenting DJ Kemi Eribake, who the District 404B2 and delegates have given a voice to lead for 365 days. For the past 365 days before this Lions here, we've witnessed DJ IPG Tolu Sebanjo do a lot of things and put 404B2 in the world place, in the world map. And today he's going to be handing over to DJ Eribake. Don't go anywhere, stay with me.
Bàbá wọn ká tán délẹ̀ o. Mi ò ní lọ síbi kan, bàbá wọn ká tán délẹ̀. I don't care what they say.
Good afternoon. My name is Lion, Dr. Ibrahim Jide Bello, multiple council chairperson, MD 404 Nigeria for 2025-2026 Lion service here. I'm here this afternoon to perform two rights. Number one, for me as multiple council chairpersons, to publicly present Lion Kemi Abimbola Eribake MJF NSF to the public, and to also kickstart, to also support her for the fundraising of a 150 million towards a community service project for a year for 2025-2026 service year, and that is essentially what we are doing today. So for me, she has been properly schooled, and she's assuming she's also ready to take District 404B to Nigeria to the next levels. I wish her a very wonderful year, 2025-2026. Thank you so much.
I don't care what they say.
Okay, my name is Lion Tolulokwe Ayodeji Shenbanjo. I am the immediate past district governor for District 404B2 Nigeria, and currently the multiple district global leadership team coordinator. Firstly, I want to congratulate Lion Kemi Eribake on becoming our new district governor. I wish her a successful tenure. I hope that she works together with her team. Teamwork makes the dream work. She should engage her team members, engage her cabinet officers, and ensure she carries the district members along in order to achieve all the goals that she has for the year. I know that she's going to perform excellently well, given that she has undergone a lot of training and she's prepared for this role. So all I have to do is wish her the best and encourage her to keep up with the good work that has been done over the past years.
Wearing this medallion is a sign of authority and the respect bestowed on you as outgoing district governor. It is going, it is going, it is going, and it is going, and it is going, and gone. Congratulations.
I don't care what they say.
My name is PDG, Past District Governor Dr. Funke Adebaju. I'm the chairman of Elders Forum for District 404B2. This is an auspicious occasion, and as such occasions like this, we try to let the public know what we stand for. And purely, it's about charity, service to humanity. And as for the current district governor, Lion Eribake, she is a very sound lion. My expectation of her is really high, and I know that she's going to perform. She has served almost all the leaders of the district, so she's not new to the whole situation. She's actually chief of the whole block, and I wish her all the best.
Let me also remind you to key to the international presidency, which has also been, echoing several times. Need to serve and serve to lead. Leadership is not by title. Yes, district governor. Our motto remains as we serve. That's our motto. So we continue to ensure that we make our impact in our community.
Leaders of the District 404B2 Nigeria, 4 district governors, 7 district governors, fellow Lions. Acceptance speech by Lion Kemi Eribake.
It is with this humility always that makes Lions Club International a beacon of service worldwide. Let us move forward hand in hand to hand to build a stronger district, empower more lives, and write a new chapter of impactful service. Thank you once again for the immense honor. I do not take this lightly. I look forward to working this journey with each of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you for free, it's been a wonderful event, a grand approach event. We've witnessed a lot go down today. We've witnessed humanitarians raise funds for capital projects as far as the Street 404B2 Nigeria is concerned. We've had quite a lot here today. I can tell you for free, baby, 404B2 will not forget this day in memory lane. Yes, it's been a wonderful time. We've had quite a number of correspondents, quite a number of dignitaries on here today. My name is Babajide, and I've been your event host today. Don't go anywhere till I come your way next time.